to speak about the support that I was provided by the DACS team, I would like to particularly highlight about my personal academic supervisor, Mr. Lander Haas. Lander has been incredibly supportive both during my university term time right up until now as I continue my professional journey. When I first started during my university term time, I initially struggled with approaching assignments effectively. Lander always made sure to answer all my queries and always made time for one-on-one appointments as well. When he learned that most of my peers and me were facing similar struggles, he made sure to have a group meeting with all of the students under him and introduce us to several concepts in terms of approaching critical thinking and critical analysis aspects of any particular concept that was taught to us. And that helped us a lot in terms of approaching our assignments effectively and understanding the critical aspects of things that were important to us. Even after graduating, Lander's support has been invaluable. Last year when I was job hunting, I reached out to him for his advice. Not only did he review my background, but he also connected me with a fellow alumni from my course. We also had a meeting where he was present. He made sure to address all my questions. This not only helped me refine my job strategy in a much more critical format, but it also provided me actionable insights as well. Having this kind of support during such challenging times highlights his dedication as a mentor and a supervisor. I genuinely value every support that he has provided me.